Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video, let me show you how to use AirDrop on your iPhone 17 Air. Okay, so before you even begin, you have to make sure that both devices have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth turned on. To check that, you have to swipe down the top right corner of your screen to go to Control Center and hold and press here and check if you're connected to stable Wi-Fi network and also that your Bluetooth is on. And of course ensure that the devices are within 30 feet, that is 10 meters. Okay, so how to basically share something. You have to open the content that you want to share. It could be whatever that you want to. It could be photo, note, I don't know, voice message, whatever that you want to share, or some kind of file. You want to open it, and you have to open and you have to tap share button. And from this menu you have to tap AirDrop, and here you will see name of the person or device that you want to share your file with. You have to tap on the name. But if, for example, if the person that will receive your file is not in your contacts, they may need to set their AirDrop to everyone to be able to receive their file. So on their phone, if you cannot see the person that you want to share your file with, on their phone they should go to Control Center and press and hold their AirDrop icon and set everyone for 10 minutes. And after you tap the person, they will receive a prompt where they can either accept or decline the content. And if they tap accept button, you just have to wait until your file is being transferred. So yeah, and then after that you can close it everything and check if that person received your file. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.